how good it is, right? So I bought this on Temu, right? It's just because it is so cheap, right? So not so, it's just a knockoff camera. It's just a knockoff pocket camera, right? So this is not just like the DJI Pocket, and this is not another, what is this called? What I forgot this one. I forgot that one. So yeah, there's a lot of branded pocket camera, right? So, and this one right here is also a really good one. It's because I already use this into my cycling, right? So since I'm into also cycling, so I also made a vlog. I also made a vlog of cycling vlogs, right? So if you are interested into cycling products also, so you can go into my cycling channel. So I'm gonna have to link. I already linked that below in my description box, right? So yes, and also I got some new channels coming, right? Okay, so this is what got games and gadgets. So right, is also committed to the gaming community. So anything gaming gadgets is also, yeah, I'm gonna have to link down also below, right? Okay, right here is I've got this instant pocket camera right over here, and which is a really good one because it is a 4K camera, right? So this is a 4K camera, so you can swivel this one right over here. So this is the camera. You can swivel that up, and then you just have to take a selfie, right? So yes, I go, and also I can do that also one right over here. So if you can see the clearness, okay, I'm gonna have to turn this on. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn this on. Okay, so that you will see. There you go. So yeah, here we go. So as you can see, I think you can see me, right? So yeah, there you go. So yeah, you can see me right there. So yeah, there's my one right there, as you can see. So see, as it is against the light, you can see it clearly, right? So this is a 4K camera, right? So this is so small that you can put it in your pocket, right? So but as you didn't know, I can put it also into my hat. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put that into my hat, and then the result is this one right over here. Okay, okay, I'm gonna have to go back for that one. Okay, yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to go back. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have to go back. So I'm gonna have to turn it off first. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn it off. So this one right here is, you can put it into your hat like that one. So yeah, you can put that into your hat. So I will make I will make also a back mirror for this one, right? So as you can see, so that one, you can see, you can put that in your hat also right over here, which is a really great, right? Which is a really great. So if you are walking, yes, if you are walking onto jogging also, and you jogging, and also you have a hat on it, so yeah, you can go jogging and then taking a video right over here, which is a really good one, right? So you can, and also you can put it just like that also, yeah, you can put it by side also like that one, yeah. But yeah, if you want your side, right, okay, that one, okay, if you want your side to be like that one, your face, yeah, you can have to like that. And it's also you can have to put it like that one, so that, and then also you can swivel it up. So yeah, okay, that one, so you can have to one right there. So yeah, but as you know, you can just have to put it just like that one. Okay, okay, yeah, so you can have to put it like that, and then again, so that the camera, so yeah, if only I like that one, so yeah, I can see myself right over there, right? So yeah, you can see, I can put it like that one, right? So I can put it like that one, so I can see myself, right? So yeah, that's a really good one also. And also you can put this also into your right here, into your shirt. You can also put that into your shirt like that one. So if you really want it to like that, so yeah, but yeah, it is swiveling, right? It is like that one. So anything that you can bring it anywhere, you can have it right there. So let's go, gonna have to take a deeper look into this second camera right over here. All right, so yes, gonna have to open this one. Okay, And then I'm gonna go to the camera. Okay, so since I haven't, you know, I haven't prepared this second camera, right? So yes, okay, and then here it goes. So yes, this is the pocket camera, right? So as you can see clearly, so you can swivel it up like that one. Yeah, you can swivel it up. So and then, you know, and then you can, you know, if you want to, yeah, see the yourself right over here. I'm gonna have to turn it on again. So you can swivel it up and then just like that. Yeah, perfect, and it's also a really good one. So I'm gonna make a one for this one, right? I'm gonna make a B-roll for this one. So yeah, perfect. And also you can. This is not just only for video. This is just only for video. Only for, and also this is good for capturing pictures, right? So this one right here is the front camera. So as you can see my face right over there, right? Yeah, as you can see my face. Yeah. Okay, and then you just have to swivel it up, and then there you go. So you can see my tripod, and then also, yeah, you can see some, you know, like that one, and then also you can see that one. So you can see that this one right over here is my shutter for my recording, right? Yeah, as you can see, this is a really good, you know, pocket camera. So for the people that are so shy, people are shy, or vloggers are shy to be caught by other people recording themselves, yeah? Including me. All right, so yeah, including me. So yeah, here it goes. Now this is a really good one. So let's go gonna take a quick sample of the video, okay? So here is the video. Yeah, you can see that. So one, okay, so here it goes. So we got some plants over here, and then we're gonna have to take that outside. Yeah, look at that. So since I can go out outside, it's because it is so windy, right? As you can see that cover of the truck. Yeah, you can see the truck cover of the truck. It is so, yeah. So I just got outside earlier this morning, and then yeah, when I go outside, ooh, the you know, the pine tree is dancing. All right, so okay, let's go gonna get over to some, okay, well, this one right over here in the house. Okay, you can see. So but you know, it is so dark because I didn't, you know. So let's go gonna get over to this one right over. I'm gonna have to turn it on so that you will see. Yeah, look at that, nice. This is a 4K camera, right? This is a 4K camera. So and also I'm gonna have to take you know, some other of my review videos. I'm gonna have to take a cut of that one, and then gonna put that on, gonna put it, okay. All right. Right, as you can see everyone, so this is the view of the camera of the pocket camera, right? That I have been put in my hat right now. Okay, so this is the view that you see. So while I am walking with the dog. Okay, so here it goes. So hope that I'm hoping and expecting that the camera is good for, also good, which is also, it is good for vlogging, right? So okay, he's not done sniffing. Okay, so okay, here, okay, let's go. So okay, so let's go gonna continue. Okay, let's go gonna continue making a video outside, since this is the another angle of the video. So this is the, you know, so this is the this is the hand angle, so which I just only, right? So and then, so as you can see, so this is the right where I just using my hand, and then which I can also adjust the rotation of the camera. So let's go, gonna have to check it out. Okay, so gonna have to try that one also. So I am holding the while I am holding the camera, right? So this is just like a pocket, DJI Pocket Osmo, right? So as you can see, and then which I can also check it to a different angle, right? So all right, so that was the the sample video of the camera, right? So, and also I got some clips from my I got some clips from my review of this one, so you can see that clearly when I'm walking with the dog outside, right? And also I put also right over here that you can see it clearly when I am biking, right? So when I'm cycling mode, in cycling mode, walking mode, and there's also a picture of this one. Okay, I'm gonna have to grab someone into my, I'm gonna have to cut some of my review videos, right? So I'm gonna have to download those review, and then cutting off some scenes that I want to put it in here, right? So the question is it good, right? So it's because it is so, it's so tiny, so small, so I'm gonna have to turn it up, right? So I have to save battery on it. So okay, there we go. So is it good? Is it good just for you to have this one? So as you can see, you can put this in a tripod, or you can put this in a monopod, right? The selfie stick, right? You know the selfie stick, right? So you can put that one in a selfie stick, right? So, and then you're gonna have to make a vlog. Yeah, you're gonna have to make a vlog on it. Yeah, and hello, yeah, just like that one. So yeah, this is a good one also if you really wanted to have it. I bought this on Temu, right? So, and also this is a good for cycling also, right? Since if you are into cycling mode, you can bring it into cycling, and then just gonna have to put it like that one, and then you're good to go cycling mode, and then perfect. It's also already good 4K mode. 4K, this is a 4K pocket camera, right, in your pocket. All right, you can put it in your pocket, or you can put it anywhere you want to go. So if you want to travel, this is also good for travel also. I'm still using this one, right? I'm still using this one. So, but today's weather, so on summer cycling, on summer last year, I do this. So I do this. Okay, I use this, and it's also gonna be also summer is fast approaching again. So gonna be cycling again, and gonna be using this one, right, for my cycling vlog, right? So stay tuned. It's because I have also cross uploaded this into my. I also cross-uploaded it into my. I will make another video for this one into my cycling channel, since some of my subscribers in my cycling channel are all Filipinos, right? So all right. So is it good? Comment down below if you really want to express your opinion for this one, right? So I really need that opinion. Okay, so if it's for my opinion, honest opinion, this is a good one. So perfect for this one for cycling activities, right? Cycling vlogs, right? So, and it's also for travel, and it's also for the people that are so shy taking videos outside, right? This because you just can put it, hide it into the, you can just put it and hide it into this, what is this called, plants anywhere, right? You can put, it's because you can put some tripod on here, so you can put some gorilla pod, right? So this is a good one, and also a perfect if you really wanted to have this pocket camera. And also I bought this on Temu, right, for a cheaper price. Not bad. Okay, and this is a good one also. It's a really perfect if you really wanted to have this kind of camera, right? So alright, so I think that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified all of my upcoming future videos. By the way, I am Ranulph, and this is my channel, Ranulph of PH and Ranulph's Vlog. So combination, and also gonna be having my another video for this one into my cycling channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you again on the next one.